Hello and welcome back. Namaste, all the members of Gulf Job Seeker. Friends, in today's video for 16th November, we will discuss about a vacancy for digital marketing executive. Now, this vacancy I have been talking into my previous couple of videos. We are keep on receiving, too many vacancies from the market related to digital marketing. But frankly speaking, we never, find a very suitable candidate who has the required work experience. So I am also going to send this video by email to all of you. In case if you are not receiving our emails, then do send a message to feedback@gulfjobseeker.com. But we are also going to send an email starting from now onwards for urgent vacancies to all the Gulf Job Seeker members. So coming back to this vacancy, as usual, they are looking for someone who can take care of their marketing and advertising campaign on Google, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all social media channels like Tumblr, etc. So you should be very good in IT and in content writing, storytelling, and every monthly campaigns are to be developed. Rate of return, rate of investment. You have to take care of the digital part, which includes designing the graphics, media, video. You should be very good in this kind of activity. And preferably, you should be a certified person from Google for doing Google AdWords, Google marketing, digital marketing campaign. Now, the company is willing to offer a very good salary. And in case if you are already a working professional and you would like to be associated with them on part-time basis also, company is welcoming this thing. So in case if you have experience or you're just learning or coming up in this digital marketing area, just send a CV to me with a brief history or a PowerPoint presentation about you, what you have done in digital marketing. And we will be interested to talk to you one-on-one on Zoom. And let's see that, how we can connect you to various companies who are looking for this kind of professionals. Salaries are completely negotiable, and it can be a very good offer for those people who also know something about web design and web development. So if you come from the IT background, from development background, design background, then it will be an added advantage. You will be a plus on this side. And all these vacancies are full-time jobs and immediate start. In case if you are interested to work part-time with them, they are also welcoming this kind of opportunity, this kind of candidates. So apply in confidence. If you're looking for a full-time or a part-time job, the company will welcome both the kind of application. Thank you. So friends, if you just now finished watching one video for available vacancy, and if that is not suitable for you, nothing to worry, because this can help you to earn AED 500 dirham. Yes, you heard it right. Just refer your friend, relative, or colleague for this vacancy who are looking for a job and who are matching with this vacancy, and we will reward to you on placement AED 500 dirham, and that's a promise from gulfjobseeker.com to you. By doing this effort, we are not only helping you as a member to earn a reward, but you are also helping the person that you are recommending to us to find a suitable job, and you are also helping us to support the company who's looking for a suitable manpower. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will participate in our Refer a Friend reward program. Thank you.